Upper Keys in Monroe County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Upper Maycomb Key, or 11 miles east of east end of Channel 5 Bridge, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jewfish Creek Bridge, Key Largo, Plantation, T-Double Key, Route 1/Card Sound, Route 1/Card Sound Road Split, Rock Harbor, Upper Maycomb Key, Windley Key, and Lower Maycomb Key. This includes S1 between mile markers 76 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.